Lesson 3, Scale Factor and Missing Side Lengths. So, when you have a scale factor, you can utilize that to set up a proportion to find your missing side lengths. But first you have to have two sides that are the same. So right here we have 9 and 6. So our scale factor is 9 over 6, which is 3 over 2. So because I went from this triangle to this triangle, we're always going to set it up that way. So let's say I wanted to find side E right here. I'm going to start with my proportion. So 3 over 2. We are looking for side E on this triangle. It is proportional to 10 on the other triangle. Is this a problem we know how to solve? Yes, it is. What's it called? Proportional reasoning. How do I solve it? Cross multiply and divide. Okay, so we're going to multiply 10 times 3, which is 30, divide by 2, which is 15. So our missing side is 15. Let's do the same thing to find side D. So 3 over 2, start with that. We are looking for side D. It is proportional to side E. So we are going to cross multiply and divide. So 8 times 3, which is 24, divided by 2, and you should get that angle D is 12 inches. Okay, same thing here. We have this side and this side together. So that means it's 5 over 1, which is our proportion. We are looking for X. It goes on the top because it's part of the shape that has 5. It is proportional to side 4 on the other side. Cross multiply and divide, and we should get X to equal 20. Alright, we're going to find P and Q. We have to do it separately. We're going to take a proportion of the heights of these two boxes. So we have 24 over 12, which simplifies to be 2 over 1. So we have 2 over 1. Let's look for side P first. So side P is equivalent to side 5 on the other one. 5 times 2 is 10. So it's doubled. 2 over 1 is equal to, now we're going to find Q. Q matches 6. 6 times 2 is 12, divided by 1 is 12, so side Q is 12. Alright, and our last one that we're going to test between these is we have triangle 1, triangle 2. We're looking for, let's look for side E on triangle 2. We're also going to look for side A on triangle 1. So let's do a proportion of 1 to 2. Triangle 1 to triangle 2. We have this side that is matching from 2 lines to 1 line. So we have, oh, I just wrote over it, now I can't read it. Okay. 8 over 2, which is the same as 4 over 1. So we're going to set it up, so don't forget that triangle 1's on the top, triangle 2's on the bottom. We have 4 over 1. Let's look for side A first. So A is in triangle 1, so I'm going to put A on the top. The corresponding side is 3. I think I just yawned on the video. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm tired. Okay, 4 times 3 is 12, so A will be 12 on triangle 1. Now we'll set up triangle 1 over triangle 2. We're going to do 4 over 1 for our scale factor. Now let's find side E. So side E is part of triangle 2, so I need to make sure I put that on the bottom. On the top, I will put 10, which is its corresponding side. We're going to cross multiply and divide, so it's going to be 10 over 4, which is the same as 5 over 2, which is 2.5. Okay, last example. A girl takes a picture of her and her friend in front of a statue. She knows that she is 1.5 meters tall. Nobody knows how many meters tall they are. Whatever. Okay, she knows she's 1.5 meters tall. There's her. There's her friend. And then I think there's a statue. And it's bigger. Nice. It's like I was there. Okay, so if we're going to do a proportion of the scale size to the actual size. So the scale size is the picture. So in the picture, she measures herself to be 3 centimeters high. Her actual height is 1.5 meters. So this is our scale factor. If they measure the statue and it's 6 centimeters on the picture, how high is it in real life? So we're going to start with our scale factor, and then we are going to put 6 centimeters on the top because it is the scale, x on the bottom. Now we are going to cross multiply and divide. So we have 6 times 1.5 divided by 3, and we get that the building, or the statue, is, what is that, 3 meters tall? If her friend is 1.6 meters tall, so she's taller, how tall will she be in the picture? So start with your scale factor. Our friend is 1.6 meters tall. It's always good to have tall friends. They can reach the higher shelves. They can see over top of crowds. You know, all the important things in life. Short friends are fun too. Okay, cross multiply and divide. And you should get that the friend is going to measure to be 3.2 centimeters on the page. And done. That's how math works. See you later.